Welcome. Let's talk about HTML, the foundation of every website. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Think of it as the skeleton of a web page. It gives structure but does not decide colors or animation. Without HTML, your browser would not know what's a heading, a paragraph, or an image. It's like a blank notebook without any section. Imagine building a house. HTML is like putting up the walls, windows, and doors. It creates the basic structure. CSS then paints the wall and adds design while JavaScript makes the door open and lights turn on. Every site you use from Google to YouTube start with an HTML page. It tells the browser, here's the title, here's some text, and here's where the image go. It's simple, but it's starting point of everything on the web. Here's a quick example. Inside H1 tag, hello world, shows a big heading, and in the p tag, this is my first web page. As a web paragraph in HTML and so on website. Two simple lines and you have a page. Learning HTML is like touring blogs. You can build blogs, portfolios, or even full apps once you have the foundation. So HTML is easy, essential, and everywhere. It's the first skill to start your journey as a web developer. In the next video, we shall look at the key building blocks of HTML.